Welcome friends to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making no-bake mini cheesecakes. They're easy and delicious and you're just going to love them. I got these 4th of July little things here. You can use anything you want. You're going to take a cupcake liner. They make 12. I do a version of this that I learned from my sister-in-law Estelle, but her recipe, you have to bake it, but it's real easy, it's delicious too, and I'll have that later on on my website. Okay, we got the cupcake liners, and the star of the show, plus the cheesecake, are vanilla wafers. That's why it makes it so easy. You just take a vanilla wafer, put it on the bottom, got them all filled. We're going to set this aside for a minute. And we'll get our bowl. And we're going to use cream cheese at room temperature. But I forgot to lay mine out, but I just put it in the microwave just for a few seconds. And it'll get the job done. You can decorate these so many ways. But since they're for 4th of July, guess what colors we're going to do them in. We're going to beat these until it's creamy. Now we're going to add our sugar. That's 1 cup. Lemon juice. And vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, oh, oh. I'm going to take our whipping cream and our cornstarch and whip it. Then we're going to fold it in. If you don't want to go through this stage, you can use Cool Whip. This is a cup. We're going to whip it for a minute, and then we're going to put the cornstarch in there. Now we're going to add our cornstarch. Whip it on high. I'm going to add a little vanilla to it. Okay, that's finished. We're going to fold the whipping topping mixture into the cream cheese mixture. Get all that goodness. This is going to make it so light. Just fold it in. We got it all mixed together. Isn't that just fluffy? Woo, woo, woo. We're going to take our cupcake holder things. We're going to fill them up just to the top. If you've got a cookie scoop, that might be easier, but I'm just using this spoon. We've got all the cups filled. Don't that look good? We gotta let them chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 or 3 hours, better overnight, so they can get set. I got the cheesecakes out of the refrigerator, and don't they look pretty? They're good and solid, and we're gonna decorate them. I'm gonna decorate them in a 4th of July theme. So we're gonna start with, I got cherry pie filling. Then I got chocolate morsels for the white. And then blueberry pie filling for the blue. Or you can use fruit. You can put strawberries or blueberries. And then for the middle, I got a little flag. Isn't that just cute? And they're gonna taste so good. Everybody's gonna love them, and they're gonna go like crazy. Or you can just keep them plain, like the one that the flag was in. Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite cheesecake is. My favorite cheesecake is cherry. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Now, before we go, I want to make sure you have everything you need from today's recipe. I put the Walmart collection link for this recipe right down in the description so that it's easy to find. Also, head over to AuntSandy'sKitchen.com and visit Aunt Sandy's shop for all my Amazon and Walmart affiliate links I may have mentioned. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.